Hello guys, how are you doing today? And welcome back to Learn English Zone. Today, we have a simple and awesome story. Today's story is called The Lost Phone, a simple story about a big adventure. This is an original English story for listening practice. It's perfect for all level learners. You'll hear clear, slow, and natural English. Listen carefully, learn new words, and enjoy the story. Are you ready? Let's begin. It was a quiet Monday morning. Anna woke up at 7 a.m. She stretched her arms and yawned. "Another school day," she said softly. Anna was a 17-year-old high school student. She lived in a small town called Brookville. Her life was simple: school, homework, family, and sometimes boredom. She picked up her phone from the nightstand. But something was strange. Her phone screen was black. No battery again, she thought. She plugged it in. Nothing happened. "Oh no," she whispered. "My phone is dead." She pressed the power button many times, but nothing worked. "This is bad. I need my phone." Anna ran downstairs. "Mom, my phone isn't working," she shouted. Her mother looked up from the newspaper. "Did you charge it last night?" "Yes, I think I did. Maybe," Anna said. "Well, use my phone if you need to call someone," her mom said calmly. "No, Mom, I need it for everything. Messages, music, maps, even school stuff." Her mom smiled. "Maybe it's good for you. A little break." Anna rolled her eyes. "You don't understand." She quickly ate her breakfast and left for school without her phone. After school, Anna walked home alone. She felt strange without her phone. No music in her ears, no texts from friends, no games on the bus. She walked past a small park. And then she saw it. Something shiny was lying under a bench. It was a phone. She looked around. No one was near. She picked it up carefully. It was black with a blue case. No name, no stickers. Just a simple, clean phone. She pressed the button. It turned on. The phone screen lit up. A message appeared. "If you found this phone, please don't turn it off. I need your help." Anna's eyes widened. "What?" she said. Then another message popped up. "My name is Leo. I lost this phone yesterday. Please, I need to get it back." Anna typed slowly. "Hi, Leo. I found your phone under a bench in the park." A moment later, Leo replied, "Thank you. Please don't leave. Can we meet? It's really important." Anna paused. She didn't know this person. Was it safe? But something about the message felt honest. She typed, "I'll wait here for 10 minutes." Anna waited on the bench. She looked at the phone again. The screen was still on. 5 minutes passed. Then she saw a boy walking toward her. He looked about 18. He had messy brown hair and a red backpack. He smiled nervously. "Are you Anna?" "Yes," she said. "I'm Leo. Thank you for finding my phone." She gave it to him. Leo checked the screen. "It's still working. That's amazing. Thank you." Anna smiled. "No problem. But why was your phone under the bench?" Leo looked serious. "It's a long story." Leo sat beside her. "Do you want to hear something crazy?" he asked. Anna nodded. He opened a folder on his phone. Inside was a map, not a normal one. It had strange marks, symbols, and handwritten notes. This was my grandfather's, Leo said. He was a treasure hunter. Anna laughed. Like in the movies? Yes, Leo said. But he really found things. Old coins, lost items, and maybe something big. Leo showed her an old photo. It was a man standing near a river, holding a shiny gold object. This map shows where it might be. Anna's eyes grew wide. Wait, are you going to look for it? Leo nodded. But I need help, and now, maybe, I need your help. Anna felt excited and nervous. She had never done anything like this before. Okay, she said. What do we need to do? Leo smiled. We'll follow the map tomorrow after school. Bring a flashlight, water, and maybe snacks. Anna laughed. Snacks? Are we going on a picnic or an adventure? Both, Leo said. They agreed to meet near the river, the place from the photo. The next day, after school, Anna met Leo at the river. The map showed a small path into the woods. They followed it. Birds sang in the trees. The sun was low in the sky. Everything felt calm, but exciting. According to the map, there's an old stone near here, Leo said. They looked around and finally saw it. A big gray stone, half buried in the ground. Leo pulled out a compass. This way. After 20 minutes of walking, they reached a small hill. At the top, there was a tree with strange carvings. This is it, Leo whispered. He looked around and found something hidden under the leaves. It was a small wooden box, locked. Anna gasped. Is that? Leo nodded. Yes, but we need to open it. There was a note attached. Only those who know the truth can open me. Leo thought for a moment. My grandfather told me stories when I was little, he said. He always said, truth is light. He looked at the box. There was a number pad with 4 spaces. Anna whispered, maybe the code is LIGHT? Leo tried it, pressing numbers for the word light. 5, 4, 7, 4, 8. The box clicked. Inside was a small journal, and inside the journal was a map. A new one, a real treasure map. Anna looked at Leo. What now? Leo smiled. We follow it. But, Anna said, maybe not now. Maybe another day. This is big. They closed the box and put it in Leo's bag. Thank you, he said. I couldn't do this alone. Anna smiled. You're welcome. I guess I'm part of the adventure now. The next morning, Anna woke up. Her phone was still broken, but she didn't care. Something had changed. She had an adventure. She had a secret, and she had a new friend. At school, Leo waved at her. Anna smiled. This was just the beginning. Thank you for listening to The Lost Phone. A simple story about a big adventure. We hope you enjoyed the story and learned new English words. Don't forget, listen again to improve your pronunciation. Read aloud to learn vocabulary. Share the story with your friends. More fun stories are coming soon, only on Learn English Zone. See you into the next video.